Okay, we almost getting out there. We're gonna get out that started from this Arcadia 2011, and we have to take the exhaust out. We have to get it out, so that way we can take this starter right here out. If you don't take this out, you cannot get it out. I got the screws already out, but I cannot get it out if I have to move the part of the exhaust is the Cadillac converter. Yeah, the Cadillac converter. And I'm gonna take another video after I get it out, so the way I can take that out. We already replaced this one, the starter. And you have to take out that sensor right there. The sensor right here, this one. You have to get it out. If not, you cannot take the starter out. And see, you cannot hit it. Even that, you cannot even hit if it's kind of like not working good. You cannot hit it because there is no room. I have to put back the Cadillac converter. The converter and all the pipe. See, I take all the pipe down. So it's a pretty nice show. Como tú me dejaste ahora.